This video shows you how to work 2x2 brioche ribbing two-handed. Hold the brioche pearl color, the light blue variegated, color B, in your right hand, and the brioche knit color, color A, in our case the bright blue, in your left hand. Brioche knit 2, making sure to keep the yarn over on the needle until both stitches have been knit. Then wrap the B color all the way around the working needle back to the front. Bring color A to the front. Purl 2. Now bring color A around the 2 purl stitches to the back. That's it. It may feel a lot to manage at first, but like anything, with a little practice, you'll improve. You can get the pattern for the neon warmers in the Neutrino mobile app. Find it in both app stores.